Remove kit contents from box and place onto a flat surface. Read the instructions carefully. Do not discard the box. On the back of the box, locate the tube holder and push the tube through the outlined hole. Remove foil seal from tube. Avoid spilling the liquid. Open the swab pouch on the end opposite the swab tip by peeling back the pouch cover. Holding the plastic stick end of the swab, remove it from the pouch. Be careful not to touch the tip of the swab. Carefully insert the swab tip into one nostril about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch deep. Rub the insides of the nostril in a complete circle, at least 5 times. Remove the swab and repeat this step in your other nostril. Then, remove the swab and immediately insert the swab tip into the tube. Mix vigorously by rolling the swab tip at least 6 times on the bottom and sides of the tube. Leave the swab inside of the tube and place back in tube holder. Start the timer, leaving the swab in the tube for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take the tube out of the tube holder. As you remove the swab from the tube, squeeze the swab tip several times from outside of the tube. Try to release as much liquid from the swab as possible. Remove a dropper tip from the kit and push it into the top of the tube, making sure there is a tight fit. Open the test device pouch and place the test cassette on a flat surface. Holding the tube above the cassette, gently squeeze 4 drops of solution into the sample well labeled S. Keep the test cassette on a flat surface and start a 15-minute timer. Do not move the test device. Read your test result once the timer has reached 15 minutes and no longer than 20 minutes after you first started your timer. For interpretation of results, locate the result window labeled C and T on the cassette. The test is positive if there are 2 pink or red lines present, one next to the C and one next to the T. The test is negative if there is a pink or red line present next to the C but no line next to the T. The test is invalid if no lines are visible, or if there is a pink or red line present next to the T, but not next to the C. Discard used test materials as household waste.